Alright, I hope you guys like some of that running footage the first time out with the FJ45 Mini RDX RC drift car. So I don't know if you could tell by the footage or not, but this thing is fast. It's definitely quick and it grips and rips. So it was definitely a blast to drive in those two times I had it out there. Once down at Scale Science, my local RC drift track, and then I took it down to my shop and drifted it on the concrete floors there, and it was a blast. It's probably one of the more fun cars that I've driven, just how fast and snappy it is. It really like whips to angle, but then because there's so much suspension travel that it really like sits and leans, and then it's cool to watch the body snap back on transition. So I'm gonna have to take it out some more and go filming, but this is a pretty cool little drift build. I'm pretty happy with it. Got a bunch of comments at the track and people seem to like it there online, so I'll make more running videos when I get some more shots, but you know, this is where it's at and it's running good. It's actually running way better than I thought it would. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be coming out with some more unique drift builds this year. I'm just really trying to focus on higher quality stuff rather than just dropping videos with not really explaining what I did for the build or anything like that. So let me know what you guys think, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. See ya.